Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x value. Solution: 6 power x plus 6 power x plus 6 power x by 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 36. Now we are going to take 6 power x common here. So 6 power x, open bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1, same way in denominator, 2 power x common, 1 plus 1 equal to 36. Now 6 power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 by 2 power x times 2 equal to 36. Now this can be written as 6 power x by 2 power x times 3 by 2 equal to 36. Now we are moving this right hand side, so 6 power x by 2 power x equal to 36 times 2 by 3. Now simplify this, you get here 12. So 6 power x by 2 power x equal to 12 times of 2. Now 6 power x by 2 power x equal to 12 times of 2 is 24. Now we know this formula, that is a power x by b power x equal to a by b whole power x. This formula we are going to implement here. So we'll get 6 by 2 whole power x equal to 24. Now simplify this, we'll get 3 here. So 3 power x equal to 24. Now take a log on both sides. So log 3 power x equal to log in right hand side 24. Now we are going to implement log power formula here, that is log a power b equal to b log a. This formula we are going to implement here. So x log 3 equal to log 24. Now divide by log 3 on both sides. Log 3 here, here log 3. Now this log 3 cancels this log 3. Now we have x equal to log 24 by log 3. Now this 24 can be written as 3 times of 8. So x equal to log 3 times of 8 by log 3. Now we are going to apply this log product formula, that is log ab equal to log a plus log b. This formula we are going to implement here. So x equal to log 3 plus log 8 whole divided by log 3. Now this can be written as x equal to log 3 by log 3 plus log 8 by log 3. Now this log 3 cancels this log 3, so here 1. So we have x equal to 1 plus log 8 by log 3. Now x equal to 1 plus log, this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 divided by log 3. Now we are going to implement this log power formula here. Log a power b equal to b log a. This we are going to implement here. So we'll get x equal to 1 plus 3 log 2 by log 3. Now we know this log formula, that is log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to implement here. So we'll get x equal to 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3. This is the x value for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.